Guys, it's your boy, the one-way Great Dane, back with day 476 Star Drop opening, and we have the new update for Angels versus Demons in the game. And again, not to worry though, we still have all of the same things from yesterday, such as the double star drops, the dead box goal event, or community event, and again, you guys aren't missing out on Gruesome Gus if you didn't complete that yet, but there is at least 3 technical things you may have missed out on depending whether or not you actually had it on your account prior to the update. So I'll get into that in a second. Let's see what we have.
Super rare.
Starting with the super rare of 100 coins.
Rare.
Ultra rare of 50 coins.
Epic.
An epic of 100 coins, alright.
Mythic.
Mythic. Also 100 bling, okay.
Rare.
A rare of 50 coins.
Super rare.
And a super rare of 100 coins. If you get the higher rarity, they should definitely change that to make it so that you have to get a higher amount than you would get in a lower rarity. That's just ridiculous. Again, if there's nothing else to suggest to the devs, that'll be my suggestion. Anyway, so we got the new background here, and I'll play the music for a second. So it's kind of like a swing shop, I guess you would say, some jazzy like that. But anyway, we also have some free rewards with this update. So let me see what I have. Okay. Another search pin? That's interesting. I would have thought I would have claimed all of those, or rather I'd be getting the one I haven't claimed at the end of the season, so I'm interested to see that I'm getting an extra one there. I'm not sure why. The other two make sense. And then I'm just gonna have a whole lot of icons. Alright, that trophy one for World Champion Gus is pretty nice. I'm not even sure I recognize the one for Furious Fang at the start, but anyway, they're calling it Legacy now because, again, if you guys wanted to get to rank 35 and you haven't yet, unfortunately that is no longer possible, as rank 35 does not exist anymore. But, again, because I at least reached rank 30 prior, and again, I guess I have my club mates to thank for that, for kind of, would you say critiquing the fact? I mean, even some people in the comments, right? Why, if you're decent enough at the game, why do you not have a single rank 30 yet? And it's like, I could, but do I really want to, you know? And there's really just that whole thing about, if you get high enough into the ranks, is the game even really that fun anymore? You know, if you have to sweat every time you're playing. So again, I mean, it says, how does it say? It says rank 30 brawlers, but I'm pretty sure as long as you had one, you'll get that spray. And then, to get the rank 35 pin, you needed at least one rank 35. And then there's this weird title phrase. I saw it on someone else's channel. It's it's like trope. It's not in English, but I don't think it's a word in any other language either. I think they just made it up. It's like Trophin Titan or something. It's supposed to be like Trophy Titan, I'm guessing, but it just looks really weird. I'm actually almost kind of glad I don't have it, or I didn't try to get 10 rank 35s. That would have been so miserable to get Trophin Titan or something. Again, I maybe would have wanted the pin, but definitely that, I would not say that's title mastery. What would you even call it? It's not mastery, it's just some unique trophy title, I guess. But again, if you guys were able to get the Trophin Titan or the rank 35 pin, do consider yourselves, somewhat lucky, as it will be, somewhat rare considering the immense difficulty that it takes to get even one rank 35 if you're not in a dedicated team comp there. And again, it came a bit quick, so I think how much? I think they gave us at most 2 weeks since they announced that they're going to be doing this to get a rank 35. And I'd say if you're doing it like solo showdown, you're probably gonna need at least a few days. So don't feel too bad if you weren't able to get there. I think the spray honestly is probably my favorite of the actual legacy rewards here, just based on the design. And I'm not just saying that because I have it. Like actually, I don't know. Trophin Titan. How do I feel about Trophin Titan? But again, as I was saying, you still have 22 hours to complete the Gruesome Guest Challenge if you haven't yet. I definitely make sure to try and do that as soon as you can. And if I'm not mistaken, I'm probably going to want to complete these modes and get these additional star drops. What I'll probably do is go over everything else and then just pause and unpause the video to show you guys what I get. But hopefully that shouldn't take too long, just to make sure I get those additional star drops. But in the mode selection, again, of course, we have Payload, Zombie, Plunder. But I do have a feeling they'll be going away pretty soon. So if you haven't yet and you're like me and you haven't got your additional star drops yet, just do it now. I'd highly suggest, again, I don't even know if I'm going to post this tonight, but just take it telekinetically through the waves of the universe. Complete your challenges now if you want your star drops. And we also have Brawl Ball, 5v5, cool shapes, but again, nothing else really too special going on here. So again, we also have this teaser, I guess you would say. The spooky jump scare book is turned into a teaser for the new season coming up in 8 days, I guess. Yeah, it aligns directly with the end of season 31, which makes perfect sense anyway. I mean, it looks nice. I don't know why it's here exactly. Maybe it will provide some other teasers as time goes on. Who knows? But again, let's jump into the shop. Don't waste too much time here. It looks like we're just getting You Were Bad? Is this something you get only if you tapped on the book? Does that mean there was a good pin if you didn't? That's so weird. And then why is there dead boxes? We didn't hit the goal yet. What's going on in here? Is that a little spoiler for what's to come or something? Wait, what? We did reach the goal, but it's not the 31st yet. Today's only Tuesday. Again, if you guys don't know, even though we reached the goal, we still have 2 days to go before we get all 10 dead boxes. They will release on Halloween, so I'm guessing they're giving us 2 now because we reached it early, but anyway, I guess I'll collect the pin. And then I think I might just claim all the dead boxes at once on Halloween, but I will be getting those extra star drops today in place of that. So wait, looks like we have Putrid Pam in the shop. A very goofy looking Pam skin here. Looks kind of cool though as well. I really like it looks like the tombstone is the turret. That's probably a really cool thing for that. But again, at the 149 gem price point, I definitely wouldn't be picking it up this Halloween, but I'm interested to hear what you guys have to say about it. Again, pretty much everything else is the same. Don't waste too much more time, as this video is probably going quite long already. But I have a daily freebie of 60 XP doublers and 5 credits. And as of today, I have 448 XP doublers and 99,371 power points. So again, let me know what you guys think of the skin, and I'll be right back in a second to get those additional star drops. Alright, so I'm back with the Zombie Plunder star drops, so let's see what we have.
Epic!
Starting with an epic, 200 coins,
Epic!
and another epic, 100 power points. But again, just messing around with Chuck here. Even at 988 trophies, doesn't feel so bad anymore, thanks to the change to the current trophy progression. So again, I'm certainly not mocking it right now, and with the free rewards we could potentially get, I think I am actually liking the change more, at least for casual players. And again, I haven't even addressed the whole trophy streaks on individual brawlers thing, but I think I just have to play more before I could determine whether or not that's better. I think it is, but I'm not really sure yet. But anyway, I still have to do payload, so I'll be back in a second. Alright, on to the star drops from the other game mode here. Let's see what we have.
Legendary.
Okay, off of the legendary of 1,000 coins.
Rare.
And a rare of 50 coins. Yeah, so just from the legendary alone, I'd say that's worth it, but again, it's just nice to have played Zombie Plunder and Payload after such a long time. Again, I don't know if I necessarily prefer them over any of the other modes, but again, it's something I have to think about, but it is nice to have played them again, and again, I'm just interested to hear what you guys think of the modes overall compared to the regular modes we usually have in the game. And again, just if you haven't for some reason, make sure to complete. I'm not really sure which mode it is, but at least one of them is going to go away by tomorrow. I'm assuming it's in order. It's probably going to be Payload, and we'll have Zombie Plunder and Volley Brawl, but just in case, it's better to complete the 2 now, just so you know you'll be able to get the 2 more star drops tomorrow if for some reason you haven't completed it yet, even though we've been given a fair amount of time to. I just want to see how long I could stretch it out, but yeah, again, let me know what you guys are thinking of this new update going on, what rewards you got, and let's see how far I can take this, guys.